Two Michigan State Police troopers will not face charges for the shooting death of 17-year-old Rayvon Shahid. Attorney General Dana Nessel making the announcement today. Our David Sackrider has been reviewing her report and joins us now. David.
According to that 19-page report, the Attorney General's office concluded the troopers acted in self-defense because, quote, while fleeing, Mr. Shahid held his gun in his right hand, remaining a danger to the troopers and others, end quote.
It is our determination that the troopers' belief that the use of deadly force was necessary was both honest and reasonable under Michigan law.
Rayvon Shahid was shot and killed by Michigan State Police troopers on November 2nd near the intersection of Martin Luther King Boulevard and Dewey Street in Flint. According to the report, the troopers initially stopped Shahid because they saw a bulge in his pocket that they believed to be a gun.
The troopers were presented with a person acting suspiciously and believed to be armed based on their observations, training, and experience.
The report says the troopers briefly spoke with Shahid before he reached for his waistband. That's when they pulled their guns and Shahid fled.
Get a gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop!
They attempted to subdue him first by taser and provided ample verbal commands to drop the weapon, which reasonably led the officers to believe Mr. Shahid was an imminent threat of death or great bodily harm.
Nessel says the troopers told Shahid to drop the weapon 10 times before he raised it, and they opened fire, fearing injury to bystanders. Once Shahid had collapsed, the troopers secured a pistol with an extended magazine carried by Shahid.
Both troopers immediately began to provide first aid while waiting for emergency transportation to the hospital where Mr. Shahid was pronounced dead.
In a statement to ABC 12, an attorney for Shahid's family says he is thankful the case was reviewed, but will still be moving forward with a civil case, writing, quote, this is a clear-cut case of kill, kill, and overkill, and then kill again. It is a shame that these troopers shot this kid. They shot him like he was an animal, end quote. That attorney, Arnold Reed, maintains the troopers had no reason to approach Shahid in the first place. In studio, David Sackrider, ABC 12 News.